pasa, rumba, back together. Bana bato abaya sejiye nkoko nawe sara jangu.
Hello mukwano gwange nga nsanyuse nate okuddamu ne nkulaba wano. Weebale nnyo tibuli lwa Monday oba olunaku lwonna osalawo n'ojja wano tusome ffenna Oluganda kansubire nti oyiga. Hello my friend, thank you so much for always coming back to this channel to learn Luganda with me. So today we are going to learn very useful phrases that you can use anytime, anywhere, with anybody. Let it be at home with your parents, let it be in school when there is someone who speaks Luganda in your school or your daycare. You can use these useful phrases to just ask maybe for the way, maybe to say thank you, maybe to ask for help, okay? Olwaleero tugenda kuyiga ebigambo by'osobola okukozesa oba ewaka oba ku ssomero, osanga ku ssomero lyo waliwo omuntu ayogera Oluganda, oba mukwano gwo tomanya, oba ng'oli mu nsi etali gy'obeera mu buli kanaku naye nga nayo boogerayo Oluganda, n'osobola okubuuza oba omuntu okuyamba oba omuntu okulagirira ekkubo, byonna ebyetaagisibwa ebyangu tugenda biyiga leero. Today we're going to start with a very useful greeting that works everywhere, works with everybody, even if they are grown-ups or young. And this phrase, directly translated, would be, how is the work going? How is the work of this day going? Or, directly translated again, well done with whatever you have been doing throughout the day. That is in Luganda, mujebaleko. The next useful phrase is, please help me. Nyambako. Sikuwulira. Listen, on this channel we listen, we see, and then we speak. You remember? Yes, of course you do. Kweno channel kwe tuyigira Oluganda tuwuliriza ne tulaba olumala ne twogera. Yes. So, you listen and then you speak after me, okay? Yes? Help me. Nyambako. Sikuwulira? Nyambako. Very good. My next useful phrase would be, sibitegeera. I don't understand. Sibitegeera. I don't understand. Very good. And the next useful phrase would be, can you please give me that? Mperezaako. Can you please give me that? Mperezaako ku. Can you please give me that camera? Mperezaako ku camera. Another phrase you could use at home is, I am sorry. Nsonyiwa. I am sorry. Nsonyiwa. Again, nsonyiwa. Very good. And another one, maybe when you have finished eating and mommy or auntie or daddy have cooked a very yummy dish and you've liked it and you have finished eating, and then you would say, what do you say after finishing your food? You leave your plate there and you walk away? No, you don't. I believe you're a good child, right? You say, thank you very much for cooking, right? You say it was yummy and delicious. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, daddy, for cooking. Really? You do that? Very good. And if you don't, maybe you start with saying, thank you for cooking to whoever has cooked. Thank you very much for the yummy dish in Luganda is, weebale kufumba nnyabo. Weebale kufumba. Very good. And another one, which can be used also at home, is, let me help you. Kankuyambeko. Let me help you. Maybe you are helping your little sister to get something when it's too high and your sister is short. Then she's crying and you see her fidgeting. Maybe you want to help her and you will tell her in Luganda, no, in English, let me help you. In Luganda, you would say, kankuyambeko. Kankuyambeko. Sikuwulira. Kankuyambeko. Very good. Now let us look at phrases when we are maybe outside. Maybe you are walking with your parents or your uncle or auntie and you are looking for a way. Maybe you are going to, where should we go? Where should you be going and you don't know the way? Maybe to the marketplace. And you are new at that place, or you're new in that city and you don't know where the marketplace is or the supermarket. How do you ask in Luganda? Or even how do you ask, first of all, in English? Can you please tell us the way to the market? Nsaba kundagirirako akatale gye kali. Nsaba kundagirirako. Nsaba kundagirirako. I can't hear you. This is directly translated. Can you please direct me to? Can you please direct me to? Nsaba kundagirirako. Can you please direct me to? Nsaba kundagirirako. So after they have explained to you and you haven't understood what they have told you, which directions they have given you, you will tell them, I didn't understand. Sibitegedde. I didn't understand. Sibitegedde. I didn't understand. Sibitegedde. I understood. Ntegedde. I understood. Ntegedde. And don't forget to say to them, webale. And don't forget to say thank you to people who help you. Thank you in Luganda is webale nnyo. If it's a lady, remember, webale nnyo nyabo. If it's a gentleman, webale nnyo sebo. Weraba. Bye. Webale nnyo nate okujja n'oyiga nange kansubire nti n'omulundi omulala n'okomawo. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope that next time you will come here on this channel and just learn with me. Bye. Weraba.